Welcome, my name is Kyle Szymanski, and today we're going to be looking at our fruit database application. So a little overview. Basically, we are designing a application that will allow you to enter a fruit name and their color and submit it, and it will put it into a database where you can view it right here on your screen, and you can also delete from it. So let's look at some of the functionality of this. So as you can see down here, we have fruit ID, fruit name, fruit color, and we can trash the fruit if we want. So here we're just going to enter a fruit name. Let's say dragon fruit. And we're going to pick the color of red. So we are going to submit that. And as you can see at the bottom here, it's got an ID of 36, dragon fruit, red, and we can delete that. So let's just click delete. Now we delete it, it is no longer here. So if you try to submit anything that doesn't have a enter field, it's going to tell you please fill out this field for both the name and the fruit color. So let's take a look at what creates this website. So here we have our fruits.php, and you can see here that the PHP involved, we're creating variables originally to call to our database, which is named SSL. So we have our user, which is root, and our password, which is root, which was created when we opened up our SQL Pro. So it's going to look through the local host for the database SSL, and it's going through the port 889, which we have set. It's going to use the username and password. Now, if the server is equal to the post, which is the information that you have entered in the form, we're going to create variables for fruit name and fruit color equal to that of what you have entered. So next we're going to create a SQL statement that would to basically take those and insert them into the fruit database. Now you may be asking yourself, well, what is the fruit database? So after we execute the statement, I'll show you. So let's say we execute the statement. I'm going to go to SQL Pro. So SQL Pro, you can see here that we had originally a pair, apple, apple, banana, and pumpkin, and it's sorted by the ID number of what was originally there. So to show you another demonstration, I'm going to enter another fruit, so let's say another apple, and we'll give this a random color of pink. So once again, that's there. We can look on SQL Pro, and apple pink pops up. We could also go to my PHP admin, and we can reload this page, and we can see that apple and pink appeared. Now if we delete, let's say the pumpkin orange, and we reload, you can see that pumpkin orange is no longer here. And if I refresh this, you can see that it's no longer here, but the ID numbers stay the same. So let's check out some more functionality of this code. So basically here in our HTML, we just have a basic welcome message and a form that's asking you to input, that has the fruit name and the fruit color. Then I had created a table which had your ID, name, color, and your ability to trash fruit. So how do we get to the trashing part? Well, first of all, we have to post the results to the page. So we're going to prepare the statement to select the ID, the fruit name, and the color from fruits, and we're going to execute that and fetch it. So that way we can create a for each loop statement and paste this in there, so we can take the row, which is the value, and put it into our table where we have a delete reference to delete fruit.php. So if we come to delete fruit.php, we're basically using the same vars and the same localhost and database, except now we are using get. We're going to get the ID instead of posting it, and then we're going to delete from fruits in the statement. We're going to delete from fruits inside of fruits, the table. So therefore, we're going to execute that, and then when the delete link is clicked, we're going to reload the fruits.php page, which is what you have seen. So for this week, I learned a lot about how to create, a database and use PHP to add stuff into that database, whether it be through post data or through whatever, and how to prepare a statement for that. So I thank you for watching this video, and one more look at our site, and have a good day.